Welcome back to Enox Tech Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install OpenShot on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Step-by-step guide. It is completely free and super easy. So let's get started. So first of all, open the browser, search for OpenShot. So guys, this is the official website. So I will put the link in the description. So you click on it. Just click that and it will take you straight there. Once you are on the site, you see a big download button on the home page. So OpenShot is free. You'll notice there's a 64 bits. When you click on the download, you notice there's a 64-bit installer and a 32-bit installer. So for you to check that, you go to system to see your system information. So mine is 64 bits. Most laptops are 64 bits. So I want to click on the installation button now. You can just check your own. You can go to this PC. You just click on it. Then select properties. And on that system, you see your system type, 64-bit or 30-bit. So I'm just going to click on the download button. So it is installing right now. So after clicking download your installer, you start downloading. Once it is finished, open the installer. So I'm just going to skip this part right now. So now our installation is complete. So you would open OpenShot now. So you click on it. So you see the main interface here. So you select the language you want to use. So well, so many languages here. So for me, I will use English. Click on OK. Then you can decide to read this. You read the agreements. So I will click I accept the agreements after you read everything. So this is where the installation would install in. So at least you need 644 MB to install this. So I'm going to click next. So you can decide to create a desktop shortcut if you want. So you can click this if you want. So for me, I'm fine with that. So I'll click next. So, okay, then install. So just wait for the installation to be done. So I will just cut this part. So let's cut this part. So now that our installation is complete, so I'm just going to click the launch button and I click finish. So after this setting, your installation will start immediately. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. A window would pop up. So you just have to So this is how the interface looks like. It is free, it is easy to use, and perfect for creating videos. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and check out the link in the description box to download OpenShot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.